We're building a pair of robot arms for Halloween to enrich the Halloween experience through the use of technology and scare some children. The concept actually started early last year. I wanted to design, build, and program a set of robotic arms for a cool Halloween display for my garage. Now, most of the mechanical design was done last year, but it wasn't entirely complete. So this year, I decided to pull everything together. Now, the reaction was mostly good from last year, but the kids, for the most part, weren't scared enough. So this year, I decided I gotta step it up a notch. I knew that I wanted to add a second arm to the frame. I used a 3D printer and a plasma cutter to construct the custom parts that I would need to add this in. Luckily, the initial frame that I built last year was already designed in a way that allowed for an additional arm. I got some super creepy hands off of Amazon, chopped off the ends, and popped them onto our arms. I had 4 moving joints on the arms that could slide along an extruded aluminum frame with 5 separate motors to control each movement independently. Now, my dad and I worked together on this project, and he wrote all of the code for this system in C++ with a custom scripting interface. This made it easy to test and modify each specific movement parameter in real time. After testing different timing and motion patterns, the arms were looking better than ever. I was going for a crawling forward motion, with the arms appearing to be dragged back at the end. Now that it was moving how I wanted it to, I cut up an old t-shirt to fit around the arms. The piece is finally coming together, but I wanted to take this project to the next level. I bought a strip of programmable LED lights and wrote a rudimentary light pattern that could be played from inside a garage to create the illusion of shadowed footsteps. Throw a smoke machine in the room, a Halloween playlist in the background for ambiance, and we're ready for action.